are about to head out to the Fort Worth ISS show. It's going to be about a 4-hour trip, so let's go ahead and do this.
Motions on.
Shannon, the shop gnome, is over there.
Hello.
And we're on our way to pick up the other two peeps. We're on our way to pick up Panda and Isla. She's the, what does Isla do for the company?
She's a teacher.
No, I know she's a teacher, but what does she do? What are we gonna say that she does?
1 mile.
We can't say that she's just happy to be here. Because she might get upset.
How about we can just say she's our social media marketer?
Yes. So we're on our way to pick up Panda, the shop boy, and our marketing person. So we picked up these guys. We got rained on. We're heading to Fort Worth, the convention show. Fort Worth? Fort Worth. And I got a phone call from a client in dire need of something we cannot help them out with. They're at the ISS show, and they're going to ask around to see if they can't make something happen. That's not what I signed up for. But anyways, we're heading to the ISS show. Oh God. That's Isla can touch the ceiling. Watch this. We just checked into the lavish. What is this?
The Radisson.
The Radisson. And we're all checked in. Found the jacuzzi and all that.
The nightclub.
And the nightclub. They got a nightclub. I'm gonna go dancing here in a little bit. Shannon, the shop now. I am too. Can I just go and press all of them? We are 340. 340. Go for it. Go on. Go faster. Apparently there's a club here. Panda, what do you think?
I'm not going in.
Do you want to go clubbing?
I'm not going in.
Let's do it.
I'm not doing it.
Let's go clubbing. Let's do some clubbing. Okay, we're gonna go grab the girls and see if we can't take them to this jam and get them hammered.
Isla's super tired.
Isla's super tired.
She really is. She's probably like kind of sleeping.
So we got the girls to come out of the room, and we're gonna go have a couple drinks and go check this band out. Okay, I have to test out these beds. I have to test them out.
Oh my God!
Ah, you kicked my cat.
So here we are at the ISS show. We're about to register. Hopefully everything goes smooth because we forgot our little passes. Hey Panda, what room number is it again?
121.
Yeehaw! We just got in, had a little bit of a hard time getting the media pass, isn't that right, Shannon?
Yep.
Saw someone that watches us on YouTube, and now the kids are grabbing some t-shirts. They're filling up their closet. Did y'all get some free swag?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've been walking around a little bit. We're gonna grab a bite to eat. I've met some cool people. We met Jonathan. It's funny because people recognize us. However, sometimes it's funny because it's like, hey, Matt. But it's cool meeting a lot of you guys. We're gonna grab a bite to eat and an adult beverage now.
Going on down. What we do is we'll bring it forward. 45-degree angle. Push it forward.
Oh, nice. You're like a pro, Panda.
I like it. Pull it forward. Pull it forward. Not hard.
Dude, I want to try it. I want to try it.
Do it again? No, you're fine. Slow it down. 45. Okay.
Yeah, that's the design thing over there. So you can see where the design comes through.
That's cool.
Great job, dude. Hey guys, look who we come across. We come across Sin, T-Shirt Chick. You may know her as T-Shirt Chick on YouTube. And this is Panda. We brought him as well to the ISS show. Shannon the Shop Gnome's that way. So Sin actually got to meet Shannon the Shop Gnome.
Yeah.
So we're just up here hanging out at the ISS show, and we came across one another. Stop being a fool. It's really cool to meet another YouTuber. Is there anything you want to say? You want to plug your channel for those that don't know about your channel, that watch our channel?
What's up? I'm seeing, like he said, my channel is T-Shirt Chick. I teach people how to do T-shirts just like he do. You know, we do the same thing. Little competition going on there, but not, you know, nothing too serious. But yeah, y'all can check me out.
Go over to her channel. Be sure to subscribe. Give her videos a thumbs up. She has a lot of videos up that perhaps I don't have videos up just yet. She does a really great job teaching people how to screen print and heat press. It's nice to actually finally meet Sin. So
yeah, and actually I've been watching his videos because he used to do videos before I actually really got started. But he kind of took a little vacation. But yeah,
I took a couple of years
that I used to watch.
We'll come back and we're gonna hang out with Sin for a little bit, and then we'll show you some more stuff around the ISS show. Look, I got me a Print Squad t-shirt. Right, Isla? What is she doing?
Look, I'm just filming Ryan from a distance.
I think she's scared to meet him. So here we are over by the Ryanette booth. I'm gonna go say hi to Ryan. You guys recognize Ryan from Ryanette. We're up here at the ISS show, just saying hi to Ryan.
I like that you're wearing your shirt that you got like.
ISS show, Houston last time. Ryan gave me the shirt, all made. Introduced us to
It's a space black. Yeah.
I love the shirts, love the way they fit.
Good.
Got me a new one, got another one. So
right on. What's the coolest thing you've seen at the show so far?
The coolest thing I've seen at the show?
Yeah.
You know, to be honest,
cool in screen printing, you know what's up.
I think the coolest thing was passing by you in the classroom. And I'm like recording. Because I'm familiar with a lot of the manufacturers that's here, so it's nothing entirely new, but I will say that was neat watching you actually teach a class. I thought that was cool.
That was a fun class.
I thought that was cool.
Taught on business. Yeah.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah, made to make a book.
Things?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Do you have a made to make a book?
No, I do not.
You want one?
Yeah, I would love one.
Here. I'll write a personal message to you, but it's all about like how to make it in screen printing.
There you go, guys.
It's based on a couple of journeys of custom ink on a big shop level, for printing a medium shop, and then Pirate Ninja a small shop, but all growing and doing some cool stuff. Yeah.
Well, cool. All right, I'll leave a link to that down in the description, guys.
Cool. Thank you, man.
Well, it's nice.
Keep making awesome videos and keep watching you. Susan's great stuff.
Thank you.
So Sin, right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's really a real long something, but I go by seeing.
So I asked Mike, man, what was the coolest thing he's seen at this show so far? What's the coolest thing you've seen?
The automatic press.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What
that's definitely always cool to see the automatics that work.
Doesn't it kind of scare you as a manual printer just slightly a little bit?
Well, you still
Which
got
part?
the shirts on there.
The manual, like the first time I saw autos, like we sold a couple different types of autos, and I would just be scared to print on it. Like I'd be like,
No, I'm not.
I don't want to break your knot. You're just gonna go for it. And you're like,
Oh yeah.
ready to
No,
jump in.
no, I'm not scared.
Can I get a little video?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, I'm gonna let you know. I'm vlogging them vlog.
Yeah, vlogging them vlog.
I'm vlogging them vlog. So the ISS show was a lot of fun. Panda and I. What happened to your bunny ears, dude? Put your bunny ears back on. Anyways, it was a lot of fun, and we'll see you guys next time.